Students, in this video we will learn about paragraph spacing and paragraph indenting. So what is paragraph spacing? So paragraph spacing is what when you press enter after writing a line. Suppose if you written one line and you have pressed enter, then MS Word will uh, automatically create a gap of 8 PTS between the old line and the new line. Okay, so it will create a space, and this is known as paragraph spacing. It will create a space between the two lines. Whenever you press enter after writing a line, it will create a space between these two lines, means the old line and the new line, and that is known as paragraph spacing. You can increase or decrease that paragraph spacing. For increasing or decreasing the paragraph spacing, you have to go to the layout tab. So if I zoom, you can see here the layout tab. This when you click this layout tab, then under the layout tab you can see here is spacing. You have to increase or decrease this whatever you want. If you want to decrease, you can decrease the value. If you want to increase, you can increase the value. So for increasing the space, first of all you have to select the paragraph. Suppose this paragraph I have selected, and between this paragraph and this paragraph I want some space. I want to increase the space. That is known as paragraph spacing. So for that, what I have to do, so I want the space below this paragraph. I want the space below this paragraph. Okay, so below this means we are increase means we have to increase the space of between these two paragraph, which is, and this paragraph is after this paragraph. So therefore this after value we will increase here in under the spacing section. So when you increase it, the space will also increase. If I zoom out, you can see that increasing a space. Now if I increase this value after selecting it, if I increase this value, so you can see that paragraph spacing is also increasing. Similarly, if I increase this before value, so before that nothing is written here, so the before space will get increased. Okay, so before this paragraph there is a space is there, so this spacing will increase like this. If you increase the after value, then after this paragraph is which paragraph? This one. So therefore if I increase this value, so this space will increase. Now we will learn about paragraph indentation. Paragraph indentation is used to add or remove extra space from the left or right margin. We can add extra space, we can remove extra space from the left or right margin. Now this area is the margin area. Here you cannot write anything. Similarly, this area here on the right hand side is the margin area. This here you cannot write anything. So if you want to add space after the left margin, so you can do it by using paragraph indenting. Similarly, if you want to add space here from the right margin, then you can do it using paragraph indenting. So where you will find the paragraph indenting, if I zoom it here, you can see under the layout tab only you can find indent paragraph group. You can find the indent buttons here. So from the left hand side, if I increase the value, as you can see from the left hand side, we are getting some more space. From the left margin we are getting space, we are adding space to it. If I decrease it, so I am removing the extra space from the left margin. Similarly you can do for the right margin also. If I increase the right means if I increase its value, then it will create an extra space from the right margin. If I decrease its value, it will remove the extra space from the right margin. So to increase or decrease the space from the left or right margin, we use paragraph indenting. Hope you all understand the paragraph spacing and indenting. That's all for this video.